that will be part of the update. So, inaalam pa at the moment. And at the moment, nakafocus tayo dun sa kami. Well, tayong lahat, no? Nakafocus tayo dun sa opening. After opening, we will update the chair. And of course, the chair will update you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Chris.
Good morning, Sir Paul and Sir Lawrence. Yung NCAA po is bastion po ito ng mga ating mga Olympians, no? And then recently ito nga pong nagdagdag tayo ng mga Olympic sports where yung mga student athletes natin, they can gain access sa national team, and at the same time nabibuild up sa kanila yung chances na one day sila naman yung makapagwagi ng gold medals, no? Gaano po na-appreciate ito ng mga schools natin?
Well, it's a welcome development. Number one, ma-farm out natin yung focus dun sa mga sports na nabanggit, no? The past 100 years, as I mentioned, NCA has been contributing to the national training pool, no? Basketball, from way back, no? As I saw the pictures there. Swimming, I'm sure, track and field. Recently, we have just, from our school, may dalawa yata kami, tatlo na national, yeah. Harry Jones, the triple jumper. So, on top of that, magkakaroon tayo ng opportunity o avenue to help with the grassroots development ng gymnastics, weightlifting, and golf and boxing. At magaganda to kasi magkakaroon ng opportunity, di ba? Yung gusto makapag-aral at makapaglaro at the same time, at ito yung nakahiligang paligsahan na gusto nilang pasukin, mabibigyan natin ng oportunidad. At kung merong 100 na magkaroon ng interest dyan, merong isa, dalawa na magtagumpay, makaabot ng national team, makapag-represent ng bansa natin sa international scene, mission accomplished na ang NCAA.
Sir Lawrence?
Ganun din, no? Going back to your question, talagang pinapahalagahan naman ng bawat member school ng NCAA. No? We're very aware, sir, that itong aming Collegiate Athletic Association, basically, isa sa mga objectives namin yan, makakontribute talaga, patuloy na makakontribute kapag develop ng mga national athletes. No? So, nandoon ang pagpapahalaga sa pag-aalaga ng mga student athletes na pinapangarap namin na makasali, no, sa ating mga national teams.
Sir Paul, last question. Itong Rizal Memorial, bahay ito ng NCAA, eh. Dito nagsimula yung mga Charlie Badjo, dito nagsimula yung mga nag-Olympics na mga players natin ng basketball. Ang liga ba nakatuon sa pagbabalik niyo dito sa Rizal Memorial?
That's the objective, no? Since season 100, we really wanted to go back here. Sabi mo nga, this is our home. And I think most of us will acknowledge that dito talaga nagsimula ang NCAA, no? Sa result. May mga laro, may mga games na dito lalaroin. Later on, we will give you a copy of the schedule.
Not only basketball, Sir Supan, hindi lang basketball. Just to clarify, but the Rizal Memorial Sports Complex.
Yes.
Other sports.
We're looking at, ako personally, I know this because I've been coordinating. We're looking to bring Taekwondo here sa complex, sa Ninoy, actually. And of course, kung tayo'y papayagan, yung football. Yung track and field, most likely we'll bring it back to Ultra this season. Swimming, dito naman ginaganap. Lawn tennis, dito naman. And we'll check other venues. In fact, our tireless chairman, nasa Ninoy ngayon, coordinating its use for our November 2 game. October 2 game. Diba, will open on October 1. Mapua versus LPU. First game, second game is CSB versus San Beda. Yung junior counterpart nun will be played the following day. At yun ang inaasikaso ngayon ni Chair. Mamaya, susundan namin siya.
Pero sir, going back to the question, so we're looking forward for season 1 o 2 talagang yung game sir dito na talaga. Ngayon medyo siguro konti lang kasi yung available na slots for basketball. But the direction really is to eventually ensure that almost all the games will, eliminations up to semis. No? Siguro yung mga championship will go to Araneta and MOA. Pero basically, we're going back to our home base.
Tsaka, I'm sure you will agree, yung pag dito nilaro, it brings back nostalgia nostalgic di ba? So, yung mga old-timers noon, mga alumni dati pa, will be able to reminisce their, ganito kami ng high school, ganito kami ng college. So, part of that is, kaya rin gusto namin ibalik dito. And, Manila, nasa gitna ng mga member schools.
Yeah, of course. Hindi